Welcome back to the channel. Today is August 23rd, 2025, and we're discussing the latest update on Bigbear.AI Holdings, ticker symbol BBAI, along with a trading strategy for this week. BBAI recently closed at around $5.50 on August 22nd with a slight decline of 2.65% in the last 24 hours. The stock has been volatile this month, falling about 7.5% over the past week and down nearly 29% for the month, despite showing an impressive 231% increase over the last year. BBAI is known for its advanced AI and machine learning analytics platforms, serving sectors like defense, intelligence, and commercial markets. The company recently secured a major FAA contract, boosting investor confidence, but ongoing losses and volatility remain concerns. Technically, BBAI has support near $5.40, which is held during recent drops. Resistance is positioned around $6.50 to $6.60, a level the stock has struggled to surpass recently. If BBAI breaks above $6.60 with strong volume, it could aim for higher targets near $7 to $8. On the downside, a break below $5.40 might test $5 or even $4.50. Here's a trading strategy for BBAI this week. Consider buying on dips near $5.40 support with a stop-loss set just below $5 to limit potential losses. Watch for breakouts above $6.50 as bullish signals targeting $7 to $8. Range traders might trade between $5.40 and $6.50 while monitoring volume and momentum indicators. Keep an eye on upcoming earnings on November 5th, 2025, and government contract updates, as these will significantly impact sentiment and price action. In summary, BBAI presents a volatile but potentially rewarding opportunity backed by strong AI sector fundamentals. Careful risk management and watching key support/resistance levels are crucial. Thanks for watching. Share your BBAI trading ideas and thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more market insights. Happy trading!